Last time on Risk of Rain 2.
I feel like this used to be like, kind of like, it would ease you into this game. Now I feel like I'm just being dropped into fucking hell.
We did start with a hard portal thing. An amazing new item.
In Minecraft. I'm with you. An amazing new item with Colourful bear. We killed him.
Nice. There's one more in there.
How do we kill that?
I think we got him.
Damages. No.
There we go.
Okay. Fucking A, dude. Holy shit. He's aiming at me!
If you need help, come to me.
Well, I might. Ouch. Okay, we're good. Nah, I got like, I almost had 69 health right there.
Nice.
Boss time.
What? I wasn't. Okay. Alright. We're rocking this. We're rocking this.
That's all the other big troubles with.
Oh, help. I died. Aye, laddie, I died. I'm in Davy Jones' locker.
Ow. You.
Look at him go, bruh.
I hope you can get that thing.
I'm dead. What do you mean?
I understand that.
Oh, well, like.
I hope you'll respawn with.
Oh, I will?
I hope. I don't know if you will. I think the answer is no. I'm gonna grab this.
He turned into. Ladies and gentlemen, he turned into an orb.
I am an orb.
God damn.
I guess I'll grab your thing. Makes me sad.
I don't know what that means.
Like that would have been your item because the bosses dropped too. Remember that?
Well, I remember trying to kill the boss and I died.
I mean, like when we used to play.
I'm alive.
Alright, we can just rush this one as fast as possible. I see it over that way.
They're all coming after me. I'm scared. I'm slow. I ain't got no one to comfort me. Mario out here killing the enemies.
I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like
Trying
this.
to get to you, bro. Ah! I'm dead. Come on. Harder. I don't have the damage for these. That's a prey mantis. Ouch. Okay.
That's a praying mantis.
Die. Ouch. Ooh, pain. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm blasted to oblivion. I'm in Valhalla.
I do not have the damage for this.
You can do it!
Will Messitele defeat the praying mantis? Will Tactical Terror ever stop dying? Find out on the last episode of Risk of Rain 2!